Hi, this is Jackie and I want to show you about a new application that I've been using for a while with children in the classroom. It's called Scratch Junior and it's fantastic to introduce younger children to all the concepts of coding. So if you're working with children in the classroom or at home, Scratch Junior is a great one to get started and the children love it. So it's the picture of the cat down here, this one's Scratch Junior. Click on the home button and then I'll just open a new project by clicking on the plus sign. Now this is where Scratch the cat starts in the middle of the screen, and to get him to move you use these coloured jigsaw pieces that are just along the bottom here. Now all these blue ones are the motion blocks. So to get him to move forward you would bring one of those motion blocks down. You see a little number 1 on the bottom. As you tap on, he'll just move one step at a time forwards. Similarly with the other block going backwards, he'll just move one step at a time. And you can click them together and tap at the beginning and he'll do both of those actions. So the blue ones are all the motion code blocks. If we move on to the purple blocks, these are the looks. So we can get him to say something and you can type in that box. Just tap in there and you can say hello everyone. Enter. So now if I clip that on and tap the first one, he'll go forwards and then back and then say hello everyone. The third one is to make sounds. I wouldn't recommend using the first block, that's just a pop and that's all it does. But the second one can be really useful. Here you can use the microphone button and you can see the buttons there. There's the circle with the red in the middle, that's to record, the black to stop, and then the triangle icon just to play. So, and press the tick just to remove the microphone, and that saves it into your camera roll. Now the next one is for the timer. And if I just bring that one down, you'll see on the bottom it has 10/10 of a second. So that would be a 1 second stop. So we can change that number to make it a longer or a shorter amount of time. I think I'll leave it with the 10. And we can pop it on the end, but to have a bit more fun, let's try popping that just in the middle there. Now can you see what's going to happen? Scratch the cat, he's going to move forwards 1 step. He'll have a 1 second pause, move back 1 step, and then say hello everyone. We can tap again, he'll go forward, pause, back, hello everyone. So as you can see, this is a really good app that I enjoy using with the children because it helps them to learn about the basic principles of coding. You're learning about algorithms, which are really just a series of steps. But to teach the children something that then they can then develop themselves is so useful and they just love it. So if you like watching this video, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be making a few more videos in this vein about coding or other applications that you can use in the classroom or with your child. Thank you. Bye.